Sanibonani Sandumelani, this is your boy Pule Mathibe better known as Kev. Tona semkonti khona le Kenza ngihamba namakhenza amahle ngangiyinga ku right wami phethwa police. Hamba nomaphoyisa. Mandle bethu. Danko ke.
Wala bafethu.
Danki.
Stiwo mavocha. Shiwome.
Mangithi ngayinga ku left wami. General himself. Hayi mfethu magazine sithothisa bheke camera yethu to please.
Danko bafethu siyagotse Shibobo Mac. Asibonga.
That way, welcome to our exciting episode 16, Shibobo Mac. Don't forget to follow us, like, and subscribe. Being on the... Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Sister said,
Yeah.
So, khuluma game Kaizer Chiefs. Esiqeda ukuyibona manje Sundowns. Nestelis bafethu. So, ngokuya ngokuya so analyze ama-game individuals. So, qala ngeStelis, sithi Sundowns, sithi Kaizer Chiefs. Awe, sengezwa ngoku the general himself uthi ucabangani ngeStelis njengoba sihile ukuthi so dissector each and every team.
Yeah. Mfana Stelis njengoba besisiringile na last time. Yeni beku project. Eso. Bese nina nihambisa ama player, nihambisa coach, ngithola.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi uKevin Hunt coach akekho great, but mangicala if C3 sithi bafethu ngicala into eso asenzeni so. Ani?
Yeah.
Angeke abantu sebafuna we. Senyakuvayisa. Bafuna mavocha. Senyamvayisa. Then the project ngiyicale nabanye abantu because of the way mina ngiyibone ngakhona now angeke baze bayifuna ukuyenza the way besifuna ngakhona C3 ukuthi hayi so yenza so ngiyangithola so babhede that is why mfethu bayishayile iChiefs midweek ni sharp but now uma ungabukela le game uzobona ukuthi bayishayile but uyabona if umdu bekakorela ama chance la u3
Complexion again
bezochange ngiyangithola bebazoshaya Stellenbosch bazodlala naseligini next week iChiefs ngiyangithola ngawini iChiefs easily if bangaconvert ama chances abazowathola kulelo game bazowina because of akusasile ya team man Stellenbosch ayikhumbule le team le beyicompete for everything sharp bafikile finally ne didlala nabo final MTN 8 but bekusanele bekusano Steve Barker bekusanele ya project leya mid project wena uvayisa abantu uqale nabo project angeke ispan thya
but then again in such kulama match lawo sibhekane nawo is not a matter ukuthi njengoba ubonile ukuthi bashayela ngithi boosted confidence yabo knowing ukuthi they still gonna play us kulokhuzana league. So that being said, we cannot just take that as okay, maybe brush it off ukuthi hayi fair Stellenbosch isishayile ku cup what we have the upper hand and whatsoever. They remember bane confidence boost bashayile they can still dala
but the confidence yabo no iyayehla vivi.
Yeah, what I'm saying is they played against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So they think ukuthi they have the upper hand because they bashayela ngithi.
Yeah.
So they thinking ukuthi maybe second round njengoba sodlala kulokhuzana league it might be the same story.
Yeah, but then ukhumbule vivi imentality yabo manje abasacabangi ukuthi sishayile ku Nedbank Chiefs. No, imentality yabo ukuthi siphumile ku Baby Kev. Asekho da.
Yeah, that simply means they have to focus on PLK. You see, no, like I understand what you're saying, but ibheke ngalezo ndlela.
Ngiyathola ukuthi uthini, but then masikhuluma njengabantu abadlala iDisk. Manje abantu abane upper hand iChiefs ceda ukuwina fanda.
Confidence
bawo number 1 egroupini yabo. Bayodlala nabo league game. Confidence abisa se up. Laba yangeke kuze nama results akwa before. Angeke ufuna ukusishana insayeza no. Uthi le insayeza bengishana nayo before uma uzobuyelana nayo vivi uzenza the same things. Angeke uzokuzela nini strategy yabo.
Yeah, but now I get what you're saying, but those are two different scenarios. In this point, Stellenbosch ishayile Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Right? So ilento le ukuthi if let's say for an example, if Paris mangashaya Sundowns like 3 or 4 times, bazothi asesiyabaz lapha. That's like you having the upper hand. So Tina, we're fighting to actually redeem ourselves. Kule 2-1 layer, you understand? Because nakhona
Oh,
still in the title chase.
nine beef. But
No,
that
it's
is why
not a
it's
beef.
okay, but that is why it cheese me for me. Yena upper hand me because of bandile ngithi. Anifuni ukuthi banile. And then ngicela ukuwina confidence booster. So nina gini it's like it's a double booster. Ngisho kanjalo because of anifuni ukudliwa VV. But then amasirenge Stellenbosch mfana mina ngiyakutshela Stellenbosch bayimoshile le project. Bebane project eGrain bese iza Grain. Yabo bengamelanga bamvayisi uSteve. Bengamelanga bavayisa amaplayer lawo bawavayisi. That is mina ngibelieve kulento leyo ukuthi that is why ngifila nokuthi umbokazi ngifila ngazuthi bengamelanga avayelo.
Uhambe ile.
Uvayile. Yangithola. Mina ngabe at least season mayiphela. Ceda le project esikuyo mfethu. So mfethu into makwe yakhe yakho. Whether it delayed or not, when it's yours, it's yours.
Masifikile sifikile
Yeah.
isikhathi yakho. Kusewena amavocha ucabangani bro?
Yeah, sure, bafethu. Team leStellenbosch ne. Enhle kuyazwina. Konje okay, ngicela ukuya ngemuva nyana ne. Last week. Wrong information and what not.
Oh yeah.
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 Bheka leya camera naida.
Angitholanga ama-results acorrect but then yazi
Yeah.
ngiyacholisa for wrong information.
Yeah.
Fully. Yeah, ngiyacole.
Sicela ukubona lapho ukuthi nicolile.
So yazi Sundowns, yengathi Sundowns idliwe nani yara. We need to find out adliwanga. Yeah, so yeah. Vandag batla di draw. Well then. Ngiyacholisa for wrong information. Ufuna nani libolile lelo game ne. Sibeleni ku Stelisi ngizo era la usho khona la ring khona. Oluze ama vital players ukuthi bebadlala ngawo okay. Ukuya ngami like Stelisi like ngifila ngathi bayabhilda fi bacalela phansi. Because of now bangabheka okay game le Chiefs baze ne gameplay different. They had to go by attack Chiefs and they were capitalize kuyo leyo system level by apply all the day. Whereas to find out different ball game, curve, different scenario, league and whatever. So obviously lapha ku curve bona baye ngale mentality ukuthi yazini siyazi ukuthi okay sharp but then they've been badlala like udoti yabo. So like for mina ngabagayilo la idering ukuthi yazini mawastike kule project le bayiplana no Kevin Hahn because of the coaches new ufuna ama player wakhe ufuna ukaplaya i-system yakhe ku Stelis. So obviously going to game le Chiefs mabayodlala ne Chiefs ngisho ngithi i-Chiefs ayifuni ukudlala ngithi bane confident booster ngiwini yafanda and then Stelis siyange mentality ukuthi laba sibashayile. Let's continue last thing khona. Now siqhubeke ngale system lesidlala because of sibonile ukuthi sibadla kanjani. Because of mangithatha ukubheka Chiefs lapha yabo kumele ilune ngamnandi la game.
Simple.
Kumele ilune ngamnandi. After sithatha ukukhala ya 2 goals kumele ilune ngamnandi. It was unfortunate to young boy Shabalala Mr. ama chances are clear of which is the setback with Chiefs. They are out to go tournament. Feel it's a loss goal. But then still is going forward. Mabapid. So I think a team there maybe so good is available. Mabapid.
But ngeke ubuild
Okay,
season.
mina my take on lento le Stelis. John Beshilo recapping from last week's episode. Ukuthi Stellenbosch we might be thinking ukuthi they in it to maybe let's say to build or maybe they have a mandate to they want to win the league or whatsoever. But by the look of things, the way by this is going, you cannot just lose all your vital players and say to us you're still building. That's I feel like that's like a misconception.
Yeah,
So in this sense, I feel like Stellenbosch, it's a team ukuthi pushy business business mandate, we siyathatha, siyakhulisa, siyagrooma, then we sell you the bigger price.
Off.
Yeah, you understand. So to conclude everything, Stellenbosch, it's more of a business than a development type team.
Compete.
Yes, exactly. So yeah, Stellenbosch is a business team. They recruit players, they groom and develop players, then they sell players. Yeah.
Yeah.
They are out.
Yeah, talking about Ilokuzan, Uguti Stelis, they still have that morale boost. Uguti, okay, see, Charlie Kaiser Chiefs is still gonna carry on last year. Yes, it is possible because now they're focusing on PSL Pelamanji, but they don't have any other competitions that to focus on. Rather than Nedbank, you understand? So in show my emphasis behind Lentole Uguti abasekho kubo ma-CAF Confederation competitive league. Yeah, so now they're focusing here. So nothing just Kaizer Chiefs, you need to fix ezinye izinto, spare clinical, ilokuzane boxing, you know, take those chances. We are creating chances, but we're not converting enough. Understand? So Slala Sminyile, so it's part of my piles, Buffett. Yes. So Buffett, what do you think ukuthi Stellenbosch sitting okay, aside Landel ukuthi business ne? When if you were to like explain it to me ukuthi yini leba kwemele bayenze ukuthi i-team yabo iprogress njengamanye ama-team bangaluza ama-vital players wabo.
Build a team. Build a team as a computer with PSL. A team my computer with PSL. My gena ku baby CAF. Bazokhona ukucompete nada. Ngithola because of so build a team. Simple example. Jose Rivero. Build a team ku Pirates. Uyithole isimandla kadlala wa build the team saya ku CAF saphuma ku semi-final. Ngithola build the team ezocompete ku Champions League. Ngithola just build a team. Into sifunayo one teams Joe. Not Stellenbosch only. TS Galaxy, Golden Arrows, Chippa United, wonke lama team. Build teams that are gonna compete in the league. When they compete there, they're gonna compete in other cups like abo baby CAF, abo CAF Confederation, zonke lezo zinto lezo. But if mina ngiza ngokuthi mina ngifake team ku PSL ngithengisa ama player ngenza imali. It's like mina anginandaba ne disc. I just want money. Ngihamba ngekasi ngithole ina 19 ngibona ukuthi iyashisa ngifaka la zofuna iSundowns Chiefs or Pirates faka iprice tag 11 million bayithenga angigayinyuku mina ngimnandi ngibuyele ekasi ngenza same thing. But then you can't cheat football forever, brother. You will go down. Cape Town City yile kumvela. Uzoya kumvela.
Alright ke sinayinwebeni kakhulu sizowena Steve ukuthi uthini bari lami. Things to fix nje lapha kulokuzana Stellenbosch ukuthi ibe iStellenbosch lesisiyaziyo.
Kamina ndi build team yayo. Yathi bangato compete because of Covenant is capable of what. We know style of play at Covenant. So Kamila build a team solid to compete and go to a tournament in some fair and league and stuff. If you can check last season, these guys are really gonna finally back to back. If you can remember in 10-8. And then they progress to go CAF. So this season, what was the coach coming mid-term? Mamari, Steve Parker, Wavaya, Kevin Nandu again. Obviously, coaching will come coaching Yaron. Totally system Yaron now. Whatever style of play Yaron. Things are to change. I did it mental. We prepared that you like we got coach Mucha, we need to impress. We need to like regularly according to coach's instructions to and then by applying the abilities. So I think going forward, we're still pursuing the monetary thing. It's compete. I fix a team, I build a team. This team is there to compete.
So my question is, what if, let's say for an example, mandate Lokuzana Stellenbosch, hence Kevin Nandu Naku Eba coach. Yeah, and he's thinking, okay, I'm here to build, but there still is management. When are they like, okay, I samazu Kevin Hans in terms of development and everything. See, let's umuntu razos develop la player good swatengis. So what then?
So la bona le jwalo ke yona le ngekhawutan team.
I coach.
Yeah, le king resume ya coach ya khawat because at the end of the day go tlo bona coach be ka re kena o no sabotage a team whereas management ina le influence.
Yeah, most of the time the management ke yona le gore e etsa mosebetsi wa coach go benzini. But like there's no need or into it like in black and white in printing or okay, this is what's happening. You can see by just watching Ubono Ramol. The case she's back then, no we put at like first 11 Kima. Because you would see Pumita from Coco Di Maya, Seattle Well Koju, Ubona changes the changes as snack. So didn't learn an impact. You can't call a coach where else you're not a coach. So what's the use of calling a coach?
I'm not coach.
You understand?
Zibambe.
Okay, moving forward, Buffett. Now we're talking about Mr. Cardoso Sundowns team. What do you make of Sundowns this season, Buffett?
Since the beginning.
Yeah, what do you make of it? Because we're judging Pella, we know Sundowns from actually Lika Kalanjala, they always competitive and they're fighting, they're winning, they're collecting points, but it seems like they're dropping the ball. The bar is going low and low and low and low. Not the Sundowns that we usually, know and...
Tell us, my brother.
Sometimes it's different compared to these other seasons. It's about dominating.
It's different in which way?
Like, this season, the way the local team, they never feel as a team, but like there's
improvement,
competition, and it's piling up. And in terms of competition, we can see Rabi off Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs is there.
They are competing.
They are competing. Even though but they are competing. Orlando Pirates has always been there. Wow. So like Caruso and these players the international players man. Management influence good teaming, signing of players. Somehow team that
it's questionable.
The player most more like players so capable of doing such and such. Because sometimes things are not dropping. More like that. But careful. Well, I see I will go Mshishi is old. We need new fresh legs, young boys. But then experience is well. So like Caruso I can understand then like this season you sometimes right now but they get draw. Never sometimes
because of the experience and everything.
Understand that they've been there for years and years and years and they never qualified. So like now but I get draw. Questionable this thing is a lot draw. Caruso, what are you doing?
Lawan babuyodla Egypt 5-0 eKaslabo.
Understand. So
manje bahlulwa yi-team yana nje.
But first you need to remember each and every time Nakwante into that develop as much as Sundowns nearly dominant past few years because of some other teams were building. Like Pirates was building and building. Now they're catching up to them and they're putting pressure. You understand? Same applies to Kaizer Chiefs. We're still there. You cannot count us out. Skull Chelo. We're still, trying to push and still be in the fight. It progresses into their changes. So it sort of like gives them that pressure. And now, when I feel like they can't handle pressure. Because now, if also only pressure, they can't convert the way they used to convert. They can't open up those gaps. So open a gap, 3 to 4 games, points. When actually they can't do that because now each and everything is developing, it's getting there. Like that's
on their side too. On their side now. Do you think if Big Coach or Rulani their team there? Okay, Rulani Beganyega signed a player lawa signing. But do you think the way bebadlala ngakhona too? Say is Rulani mfethu bekuyisystem yakhe. Bowubona na ukuthi system. Angithola bakora amagoli apha. Do you think bebangadlala 1-1 neLupopo? Bebangeke. That is why ngithi somehow nabi system too. Nama player abawalethayo. Those guys abale angithola.
And now that you've mentioned that Mfana, it is possible ukuthi since now it's on the verge of losing its true identity. Now they're introducing like foreign players. these foreign players, like I don't feel like they're using like the structure of Sundowns. They're sort of like using their own structure, sort of like an individual play. They're no longer playing as a team.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-superstar
team olujwala.
ayikho
Ayiyo team olujwala.
and abopitso bebabuild i-team dajo i-team bezoyenza ukuthi bafana nayo ibe-strong engithola but bheka no safarile ku-AFCON like mfethu lento yenzeke bafethu ngesizini eyi-1
And in a short period of time.
in a short period of time
Ah,
jo
lilo litshintshile.
yabo ayisisho ukuthi abo-Chiefs nabo-Pirates abayenzi into yabo uyangithola they do their thing they want to compete nabo bayapush but i-standard i-Sundowns besiyikuso besingacabanga ukuthi bangavele badrope
And
just
each
like
and every
this.
team against the Lokuzan Sundowns, they would actually study Sundowns for like 5, 10, 15 minutes.
After lapho they lose the
uyangithola?
plot
Yeah.
yabo so
So manje akusasela Sundowns le ukuthi masingena na feeling like you.
and no bheka wenzani uMikel Caruso Wednesday press conference
Yeah.
uthi yena ubona screenshots some match officials team officials match officials
Leading up before.
before the game
See.
and uthi yesterday and layile ngiringe Wednesday and bekudlala ni yesterday yakhona bekudlala iPirates
Situation.
namaZulu yangithola but then mawubheka igame lamaZulu nePirates ikhona into eyenzakile ozothi lo ref lo
The game was okay.
awubarobhile amaZulu
Pirates bebalanda na. So
yangithola so mina ngifeel the way mina ngifila ngakhona ngifila ngazuthi bayithunile nale thing last season ngabo January so bayenze the same thing shaya ama-mind games ufuna ukuswitcha i-focus ukuthi ibhekile ukuthi laba bathenga bo-referee in ukuthi i-focus ingabheki ngayi ukuthi baba umosha i-team awuthiyami so akafuni ukuthi i-focus ibe la ufuna ukuthi i-shift ukuthi sibheke ukuthi lama-match officials nani if mfethu ubona i-screenshot salayini le akayi ku-PSL mfethu ababonisa athi why kenzeka into eso before igame
Athi
likanjani
screenshot isibone
uthi usibonile uvele wathi I saw a screenshot what yangithola so now ene baceda badlale nini Wednesday neGomora
yeah, Wednesday.
bebadlala Wednesday ene bathi bagaye half time iGomora
ila bawine 2-1
2-1 bathi bagaye half time so into ezinjalo ezingenza ukuthi ngisiquestion ukuthi enhleke le out le beyifuna ukuthi sifocus ekudiring le singafocus ku Sundowns noma ngabe bazostruggle or if bazodliwa uyazi ukuthi yena sekane excuse and uyibeke out there ukuthi no la ku PSL kwenzakala sona yangithola so ukuthi uyazi ukuthi makangayisho ku social media konke umuntu uzoba yangithola bonke abantu bazothi lo ref lona vele lona but then how can you say that while you were busy winning the league? You are the one who's winning the league. Team yabo yi-win league
hence I'm saying
past 8 years.
ngihighlighta le ndaba le pressure le they can't withstand the pressure that's why they coming with such things you understand
Switch your focus.
They feel the pressure.
Uyangithola so now bheka no baceda ukudrawa and ubonile na le game masibhekile lapha
Hayi,
ukuthi
tough, hey.
akusile Sundowns le ukuthi siya-attack cause sidinga 3 points into bengisho ngegame le-Chiefs la Wednesday ukuthi beba-attack but bebanga-attack as a-team we need i-goal cause labantu bakorile then kumele sibafakile i-pressure uya-attack nje noma seba-eda last 5 minutes or 4 minutes awuna hope ukuthi singakora uyangithola because of siya-attack yes but attack yakhona mayifika ku-final third ivele kube ngazuthi sekumele siblame lo but we are playing as a team.
There's something that you need to
Yabo.
I need to understand but yeah there's something that you need to understand ne you build right uyabuilda ukuthi izinto zakho ziba grand and ubuilda kwentweni oyikholelwayo uyithembile ne I cannot say I'm a personal let's say angaze ngibe a personal trainer but all of a
Really?
sudden nje, no, I'm just saying hypothetically ukuthi I cannot say ngifike ku Steve ngimtshele on how to do things as umuntu ofuna ukujima, like ngimgama inside to personal training, but I do not have experience in personal training. So what I'm trying to say is with coach Pagapaka, you see him like he's in it to win it. He's not a coach, he's also a player. Because he understands. Like he's not behaving as a coach or sidelines and everything. He's more like, in fact, I don't know how to put this in front of like
the game. He's into the game.
That's like in them sometimes it's not all about attacking with attack. Sometimes people they just wanna outshine each other, fighting for a first 11. Like I don't understand what's happening with Kaizer Chiefs. And not only on Kaizer Chiefs, but more velile. Umbona umuntu pass, makakora score as a team. You understand which maybe ukichimise your personal accolades or personal stats or whatsoever.
Yes.
But in this situation, Fetu, it automatically happens. Okay, now we actually slipping away from what we actually looking for. So let's judging from the game there, people were selfish. They didn't want to pass, taking shots out of range. You unbalanced, but you just wanna. You understand? I go back to Pirates. Pirates. There's some things that we are born and now. Let me just go to a combination player for game police. Or police actually polo. Bega vulegile. But what is good let me just pass and touch another step further. Unfortunately, the ball couldn't reach him because of Iloku's anticipation. They understand each other, bruh. There's brotherhood, there's chemistry, something that we don't have. Hence, I'm saying go to coach is not only a coach, he's also a player. There's a ball like chest trap, you understand? I'm paying attention to what's happening.
He's into the game.
You understand? He's not only a coach. He's actually key player is 12.
Yeah.
That's why Kaizer Chiefs chemistry too.
A lot of it, dog. Get it out. If you don't believe or trust each other.
No, Joe speaking the game now. No, be careful. Score 2-1. 70 once cut 72
I think that's
minutes.
72 minutes. Ufaka Marco.
Keep attacker. Ufaka defend. So now we are showing these guys with now I'm defending.
And the time.
So Banji, bazwenzani labantu?
They will come.
Ubaka play ukuthi come to me. Manje senyamaka manje. Emfethu abekho labantu. Nawe uyabona labantu laba esidlala nabo. Abathusi. Abana poison, abathusi, i-team mara abathusi. Yangithola. Emfethu ufake i-attacker. Siqhubeka score goal lesi-3. Ama group stage angiyazi ukuthi kunjani ama group stage nama goal. Sitholele lesi-3, sitholele lesi-4 sibe mnandi.
It's not like we're not creating chances. It's not like we're not creating chances.
Nalento leyo yokuthi bangafaki i-creative player yenye problem la. Yenye problem la.
Why bamsave uVilakazi? Bamsave la in.
Bruh, ila kwamela athole game time
and creative,
Joe. I still feel like mfethu ukuthi labo ntwana like singabuyela emuva mfana, we don't have a coach.
I told you.
That's now a coach. And another thing, look,
win 8-0, win 5-0, 2 games landed. I mean, ngibonile ukuthi dark nabo coach.
And ebheka mfana like ebheka Kaizer Chiefs ne. And angeke ngiqale emuva angeke ngizongena emaphakathini like in the middle. We do not. Okay, I wouldn't say we do not. Maybe we do have, but our coaches don't have much belief on this type of a player. Okay, a guy that's able to defense. You understand? I feel like we have. I'm a midfielder. Ashang style of play spanner. We do not have a player that's creative enough to match standards aboli Tulunyana back then and everything. You understand? Back then, bengazi even if I play with the Pirates, it's a game of two sides, two halves. That simply means I can win, I can lose. That simply means Pirates can, whatever, whatever. But in this, in the state, kule scenario nguyo manje. Ile nto ukuthi noma ungena udlala igame, so into ukuthi yazi mangalwela draw. Of which is akusinto grand le.
Yazi ukuthi bayenzani labo coach lapho. Bafuna ukusave profile yabo.
Why are you saving your profile? But you take a risk, calculated risk. nakhona mfethu the best way to attack bebasitshele I mean the best way to defend is to attack. So wena you I think lento le ngathi ishaya South Africa like idiskile South Africa nje konke because not only with iKaizer Chiefs sibone nangayo lokhuzana AFCON nabafana the very same thing leyenzo iKaizer Chiefs le defender ungazi ukuthi udefender
profile walabo coach bafuna ukusevana nama for ini faka ama player asozidlalela mfethu sidliwe ngabantu esazi ukuthi laba abantu abadlala ibhola and thina sidlala ibhola eliso ibhola lethu lasemzansi ama Brazilian players uyabona nase squadini they play Brazilian football Spain badlala itiki taka since 20 bani mfethu bazi ngalento le and basayitshuna na no ile bebadlala ngakhona bayazi express why thina ama scorer kumele sifaka ama defender kumele senze defend ini why singa defend ngokubamba idisk because that's what we know
and they call that tactical thinking. It's not even tactical thinking.
Why singadlali cha siyakwazi zishilo lezi zase Egypt that South Africa ziyakwazi call the ball
yeah and they bebasifanisa neSpain bebasifanisa
frustrate why singa use the heading le
to
advantage Joe thina sifuna ukufana nama defenders sifuna I don't understand nje le mentality noKhadoso naye sikayasenza leso style leso sokuthi maseka wina yenzeni ucala afaka nge
we adapt angithi ufike country
ufike uPSL wathi okay ayiligile yangizoyiwina so mangicela ukushaya 2 goals defend
bakipass
mfethu for ini ekela abantu badlala ibhola abantu bathanda ukudlala ibhola banika ibhola badlala ibhola bayeke babe free Joe hayi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ayinama creative players hayi ukuthi abanama ball playing players labantu laba abafuna ukusave profile that is why bebabiza 1-0 FC because bayakora they want to protect that swinile sina 3 points whatever yabo mfethu ufaka bovila mfethu look Batman vele by lentona lezi they are ball playing players
and
put them there let them play football.
You know what's the funny thing about the South African football ne? Instead of exposing young talent you saving them for what? Because iminyaka yahamba. You understand? Because now look dog bheka manje you go to let's say English Premier League uthola intwana bayafaka ku depend uthola ukuthi let's say team yana efana nabo okay kada una team eswaka let's say Southampton idlala neMan City bafaka intwana nabo ma 15 16 because they believe in that in those like in these players so my question is do you still think ukuthi this thing of an experienced player and development is still the winning formula for South African football? Experience and young talent.
No.
You need a balance.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Is it still
but no
considered as
mina ngifila ngazuthi no le ntona leza no sifuna ukudlala ibhola kuthina sifuna ukudlala idisk yabona usifakela 2 or 3 players experience ufaka le ntona zidlala ibhola
That's it.
but now
udlala ibhola le
if PSL it doesn't want to that thing then
PSL.
not even PSL but domestic clubs
okay
they don't want to
yeah
do that.
Shout out to Nedbank
Yeah.
the tournament league because they want teams badlala players who are under 23
Especially this is that.
5 players lawa abuya so that
It's at least the
sobona talent ngithola
It is a
we saw na game le Pirates
yeah lentona le what
there's talent
Yeah.
no goalkeeper
16
wabo
years.
ayikuthi akusu goalkeeper
uJomo
ngithola
shout out to PT Stars Jomo sibonile lentwana
Number 23 eTTM Midlilini.
ilena 16 ne
yeah ayikuthi
ile ijike ngwapolice
yakunala ishama 10 ngibona ezayo yabo that's what we need they don't list sifuna ukudlala ibhola
into bangayiboni labantu yazi
kale intona lezi idlala ibhola
Zifuna ukenjoy le ntona lezi. Azifuni into ebhayo.
ebobo kunento bangayiboni labantu yazi why ngisho kanje bheka manje who's like just name 5 players ukuthi they pick uPSL at this current moment 5
Eba?
Olympic like
Young.
players still on their perform
young or just players
any player bra any player
abaperformayo
yes
kuleyo level
yeah
ah
no I'm
Fine.
talking I'm talking about PSL standard. Let's say for an example Mawuzothi ubheke like you uzovota manje for a player of the season who would you choose? 5 players yeah
ay
okay let's make it 3
hayi kunzima 5
let's make it 3
hayabekho Mfukeng
Candidate.
candidate and ngifuna ukukhetha emathimini ngathi 1-1 yabo
Yeah.
Mofokeng candidate
Don't be biased.
but
Don't be
uvira
biased.
bamgayi game time
Yeah, don't
yabo.
be. Angithi mase sikhuluma
So-
yo, we're talking in regard to ukuthi umuntu odlalayo. Okay, uvila bamgayi game time. It's understandable. We're talking about people that are playing week in week out.
regular
And the question number ngifuna ukuyipose straight to Orlando Pirates but ngifuna ukuyibeka ngale ndlela.
Mofokeng amapolice noNdlovu.
Thank you. Yabona. Then
Mofokeng uNdlovu
look,
Nopolice.
shangifuna ukufaka
Ngiyapheka.
iPirates kapani
ngiyapheka. Let him cook.
okay cool
So, what I'm trying to say to you is, if you see a player at the age of 15, 16, 17, he's got the guts and the bravery to stand up to a police, to Mofokeng, why don't you give the player a chance?
into engisho
That
ukuthi
question lies to
No, I can't give out dissect according to your own understanding.
ngiphendule la
Yeah.
it's because of abo coach bethu bathanda ukuba ne-profile grand abafuni ukurisk
bazibheke bona.
bazibheke bona instead of afakile ntwana ena 15 ayibonile ejiming every day ayibona ukuthi le kule level but then bazositshela ukuthi uyamprotect umprotecta kanjani angadlali fake deep end aswimi uzoba right
So out of 100%, how many teams do you think like they got it right? Abayenzi lento lesicabanga manje lesikhuluma ngayo no.
abayenzi
PSL.
Bayayenza
Lento
abayenzi.
no abayenzi lento ukuthi uthemba intwana ifake ku depend ifloat mangabe yatota solungisa simbonisa ukuthi these are the basics of you floating and all of that.
I feel like i-Sundowns ayiyenzi
No, okay, yeah.
awuthi abangayenza ngithi
Yeah.
I feel like i-Sundowns
Out of
ayiyenzi
100%, I want the
Golden Arrows,
percentage. I want the
yeah.
percentage out of 100%.
oh a percentage
Yeah.
80%
Sharp, 80%.
yeah
And for you, 70%, right? So, do you think Uguti, it goes back to a scoutable coach? They making like Banza isn't like they sort of like the criteria of scouting the coaches are wrong in that sense, if I were to put it, because it cannot be a majority a PSL level coach doing the same thing. You understand? There must be that one coach or okay. Let's say, for an example, if Rivero he was still PSL, I would give him the credit because you know why. Utonta bombokazi obalahlela and makabalahlela wenza and obalahlele ngalento lokuthi angikulahleli because I don't think you have the capabilities of doing this. Ngiyakulahlela because I think you will stand up and be a soldier and shine and rise above this. You
and they
understand?
were true.
Yeah, like you're giving him that fire and the zeal to you know be eager to go for what's his, if I were to put it. So
no atazwana
Uyayenza.
yeah. But what that's one I think is forced. Isandla sakhe sifirst because imajority lapha into encane.
yeah ma shout out to
Ifana futhi ne Golden Arrows.
Golden Arrows shout out to them
Then it means atazwani waspana ekatswana ntwana tse.
Yeah.
Try to.
No, you don't like.
I think ne Richard Spay
Yeah, he's
So,
forced
like,
to
he's
play
forced.
them. Like he
So,
doesn't
like,
have any. You
What's
know.
our kichojwal? Kiri yaspana le yamspane because of now opole atazwani utluwe ngwaye. Uqayileva.
Kaizer Chiefs
DVC.
Yeah, get something.
Opele uspanle
nentwana
fona kwetile.
Mhm.
And then afika ko first team ya Chiefs.
aziletha futhi
The players tse lo no ke di season players most of them. And then I integrated into tse tse dinyana. Fere ntwana tse tlamele di adapt to system including the tsona tse di season players. So azange span. Uvaile. Now that he's forced ko Amazon. Adlala ka ntwana tse nyana. For now yamspanela right because of now free. Only that a bit of
The understanding.
the understanding from youth levels, youth rankings. So kuchong aka washeba Amazon the way dalaga thing hanemop the season play dala se game. Yeah, left back.
They were
And then-
experienced.
Extend has been there from Kaizer Chiefs atazwana mansebaka so.
emakabe ngicabanga ukuthi angekho extend Wednesday mabadlala ne-Pirates
Bekangekho.
Bekangekho.
So like
bekakhona
Yeah, bekakhona makabekangekho.
so like aka washeba dintwana tse a di integrate ka teng atazwana tsa Amazon. They understand the philosophy atazwana because of aka washeba now Amazon is a complete different team that is competing
yeah
for elite.
I give us no crash. I'm fine. Like give us a platform, but I feel like you're not getting what I'm saying. You understand? Okay, let's say for an example, atas one if not with nasa ankabe nasanzana liko Kaizer Chiefs. Would you think or atas one out of 100% of Kaizer Chiefs squad, natonka 80% and donatanya dilasel?
Yeah.
80%.
Yeah.
That's what you think, your opinion, right?
Yeah.
So my question, it goes back to, it boils down to that thing out there. How many coaches do you think have like penalty cards to turn that as one?
Like Demon says the protector profile sabo. Remember the team at scouter coach. By for profile pay, by access. You're like ke coaches one.
Into abayichunayo bafuna idona dayiding.
Abata profile IP. I'm sure like coaches one. Can you develop? Can you work with youth players and and integrate it to highest level? So with Atas one, I think on foundation grand Atas one. We are kind of condition. Utaka yona this day. Utola a senior team in a season players called Amazon. Uetang one mix. What the Kenyan donuts.
Yeah.
Most that's one. Maybe. And I watch about they are full of energy in donuts. We integrate mixing the player on the Haladi leader experience. Uchong da Atas one the player the road. The method of sponsor is simple. In according to King.
Now to marshal the game.
Yeah. Or like the road. Guidance in donuts. Protected in donuts. Of which is a span of Amazon. Hence, make it your previous. Amazon improve it and they are competing and they give their courses for computer for league. If season ya fail and the battle also. But I told about go top 4, but the season will top 4.
And it's
chances of them. Yoruba qualify for CAF confederations.
The
high. Because of what a thousand sponsors tuna. See Satsu and Sabona Alanu. Because of Akawasheba no, we lose the 2 games. Good game in Zata. So we 3 in a row, I lose a 2. 2 gear pirates. Give it to team shading prior before 1 turn. And then another 3 in win. This is the grand for you. Means no progression.
Okay. So when are you saying the experience and the development of young players is still the winning formula?
Balancing.
We
are understanding your coach or coach.
I do not want you to justify. So do you think it's still a winning formula? Yes or no? Sure. And you?
Angiphendulile.
Utheni konje? Yeah, sekakhohle kushuthi leni bekaphendula.
No ngiphendulile.
Yeah, you said
no, mina ngithi yaspana.
Oh, yaspana.
Mina ngibala amathini.
Oh, indaba le balance.
Yeah.
Same applies to that.
Yeah, so Richards Bay I think iyayenza le players. So yeah, into esifuna ukuyibona but asisho ukuthi masithi badlale ngeintwana sisho ukuthi badlale ngeintwana nje. Ayikwazi nokutrapa, yabo sifuna ukubona le energy abovila leyabaza ngayo abomfuking leyabaza ngayo ubani lentwana eSundowns leyabayise ku DDC no Mabhena sifuna ukubona leyo energy mfethu le yi energy sifuna ukubona sifuna
sengisesikolweni ngisisandla manje
yeah so yeah mina yeah kanjalo
so bafethu nayi ke enye into ke so njengoba ikanje lento le as uprincipal angithi ngiyakhona ukwenza ama changes esikolweni sami
yeah
right
principal
so uprincipal njengoba uprincipal mangizoyenza ama changes ngenza ama changes azobenefit isikole angithi right so lento le I still feel like EPSL vets they need to be responsible when it comes to this. You know why? Because if you're exposing intwana zethu and you make them know ukuthi ebafethu ni nama superstar.
Yeah. You
understand? So that simply means whether you like us or you go outside, you're still a superstar. Yangithola. Lento le yenza ke it was unfortunate. Lento yenza ke lokumfuking. Go AFCON.
Yeah.
Like uyabona ukuthi it's a bit unfair when it comes to development ama player amancane. Like I told lento ngisho. Just imagine umfuke mfethu let's say 1920 udlala lentwana yase Ghana na 16. Kwamela abana lento ukuthi umfana omncane lo ngamkhabula nani kungabe nalento le ukuthi angidlala eSouth Africa udlala eEurope no Asia. Yabona lento le. I feel like PSL they need to emphasize or come up with a strict rule ebazotshela lama team la ukuthi njengoba yenzile ngalento le elokhuzana
eNedbank.
you understand ukuthi abafethu khona manje siphusha ilokhuzana young and upcoming talent and kwamele ilokhuzana icabinet i-reshuffle okwamele ichithwe you understand I feel like ama team in fact we can like maximum when you talk about squad say the whole season kube nama player maybe 5 experience the rest kube intwana not in a sense ukuthi intwana engana experience nani but we're talking about ama players akhona ukudlala let me just say abomfukeng just to be you understand abomfukeng Mbokazi those type of players umfukeng noMbokazi mina okay umfukeng ngaqala ukubona vele ku TTC you could tell ukuthi lentwana le hungry for ngithola and ehanga yayo ayiphelelanga la
isa continue
ubhoboze isili sema plus uMbokazi ubhoboze isili and like most of the players enkile Rivero from Botlas that shows the development in South Africa. It's there. Believe in it, bro.
Exactly.
Yeah, off topic before sivala the topic. Ngicela ukuba off topic
yeah.
Kancane. Kulento le oyiringayo. Yani mina ngisakule ndaba le ukuthi njengokuthi PSL kumele ithathi i step forward ngala heading le lama player la. Mina ngisahlela ukuthi abavuli academy
I don't understand.
For young players. Yangithola. If
like the Farukana type of thing.
Yes. Yeah. Marie PSL.
Oh, now I get where you
do you understand? Yeah. APSL. So that teams, agents, whatever, wabafuna ama player bayida. IPSL yona mayifuna lawo ma players eda iyephuma emakasi. Mangathi angithi ukuthi baze la eVaal baze Soweto
they must go all
Eastern Cape Joe baye le fair baye emfethu Bloemfontein Free State bavaye bathola ama play in that way sizokhona ukuthi ama agent nawo akhona ukuthi mawaya la asho ukuthi hey player la Free State sithole la ku PSL Academy what mama sicabanga ukuyenza le PSL ngikhona
I and to the idea yabona nawe sesiyiphekile and yabona lento eshoyo mfana like yazi ifana nani ngusela ba you remember okay Black Label yakhumbula iBlack Label njengoba bezidlala iBlack Label lento leyo ukuthi bayenza ilokhuzana tournament ya spreader Soweto Pretoria in then ama winner ilaba bazokhona ukuthi bazodlala maybe let's say ila 16 maybe uma like cent kuba ma knockout kanjalo then kula ma team lawa yo kula ma team lawa let's say afike top 80 or maybe let's say from lawa qualified ukuthi azodlala i16 knockout kube ilaba phika ama player ababona ukuthi sewazoba ready ukuthi yangithola banke like itsona libo man bare kodwa babitsang X20 you taking the best out of South Africa then facilitate and everything so each and every player will fight for the slot now okay njengoba bese siphumile nje bafethu sikhuluma ngoMayema nalentwana le ulokhuzana Thapelo Maseko oh no dithetshane ucede ukuthatha issue ngasikudala sekangala ku Chicago what singazi ukuthi ama assessment and trainings zama kanjani so
no hayi ngibonile ufikile intwana la
Mayema ngathi yabuya ne bathi bekaseloni ngathi kuya ku Sundowns or something hey it's a rumor
into Miami confusing
it's a rumor nayo
iSundowns ipost engazuthi bamthengisile
no
selonini
I think iSundowns ufuna ukumbuyisa
kubanele
now that they are out okay Simba now I think bafuna ukumbuyisa because of your own
but no angithi into engiyibonile lesa statement esishayile ukuthi abakabahafi inyuku yechena
ichena kabhadana
isafa
and abafethu
zakhala
isafa
South African Football Association zakhala zalila
and acknowledge nama player wethu bafethu aphuma la eMzansi ayo representa ngale kwamanye amazwe they doing well njengoba sikhuluma ngolintwana le uThapelo
Maseko
singakhohlwa nalabo bakudala bahamba bo lodge Nyoso yangithole abo
uphumile ejele waba free uyasiphala idlala ibhola
abonkoda yabona labo bantu labo nje and they are may sifisela the Nkota family siwathumela ama condolences that they've lost their loved ones
Makoko.
Onkothi. No.
The out here to one.
No.
Number one.
Kalo bani le bedlali iSundowns.
Oh, Hlompo Kekana, captain.
Hayi man, awuhlombe.
Uzakala
Hlompo sakhe, but then angikho sure ngaso, but then Hlompo Kekana naye.
Luze family man.
Bafethu.
No dieting man. Ubani intwana le.
Before those lay out here, before zokhuluma ngeSundowns, but sicela ukukhuluma ngeFan, it's number one fan. Kanti wenza kanjani?
Oh, out here mfethu. Guys,
number
lost
one
a
fan.
member.
First subscriber.
First subscriber.
Bali.
Nico.
Yeah.
Now everybody loves.
Out here.
Eternal peace, bra.
Hayi le yahuka le yaseWhite City. Eyasevale out here me.
We be disambele aruka tsona na ntshotseding oka.
Yeah, oka gang yasemajazana evale.
RIP bali.
Rest in peace boys.
Bafethu
Yeah.
ningawathumela ama rest in peace nebafethu ungakhohlweni ukusubscribe, like, share and comment down there below on our comment section. Siyanthanda, siyancanya amakhenza amahle.
Oh yeah.
Sibuya sithi abafana bokuthola koColo sibuye sicross siphinde sithi sibhekise phansi sithi mina naphansi not phezulu. Sky is not the limit anymore. Danko.
Oh yebo.
Shout out to Kaizer Chiefs for winning Vandag. The group
Yeah.
is open.
Shout
They
out
can still
to
qualify. Shout out to the Soweto boys.
Orlando Pirates for being professional and winning with more goals izolo. Shout out to Pirates. Shout out to Relebohile Mfuki.
And shout out to me, ne?
Zinja.
Shout out to me
Yeah,
for
shout
making.
out to
Oh, not me
Kelvin.
basically. Shout out to Shibobo Magazine
Oh,
for kufika ku episode 17.
6-1. 6-1.
17. Oh, 16. Why can't I? So okay, 16. Abancedile. Kusho ukuthi ngiphethe ama WhatsApp abili yabo.
Episode 16.
Istrike
episode
amahlele
6-1.
iwing yakho. Danko. Aphutsho bafethu siphethe ngejokes leyo. Ngibona.
Abasiphethe lona.